Welcome to song from film Paririta, Piyu Bole, Bole. So the song is written by me only. D scale, the scale they have already learned many times. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. Backwards D, C sharp, B, A, D, F sharp, E, D. Fingering 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how we are going to use the fingering throughout the song. This is the intro music, and the time sign says 6 notes, 6 beats in a bar. Each beat you have only quaver. If you find a crotchet, then it becomes 2 beats. If you find the dotted crotchet, it becomes 3 beats. If you find the dotted minim, it becomes 6 beats. Like that. So the intro music is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each beat I played a quaver. Once again, E, A, C, E, C, A. Then see my fingering, how my hand position. 5 finger position, the E is root, and remaining all I split into 4 notes. That's how the song is moving. Again, I come back to a different area. Then D, A, D, D, A, D. Lift your hand. F, D, A. Again, D, A, D, F, D, A. Back to the same music. Again. Then the song starts from the 5th beat. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. You have found that every time the 4th beat is the time for a break, that is rest, so that a new phrase starts over and again. So it starts from 5, 6. If you see the bar number 6, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. It goes on the same way the song's pattern. That's the intro music for the song. Now we are moving to see the song now. So the song is starting on bar number 17. Again, the same type of playing that it starts from the 5th beat. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5. So 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 4. Here, bar number 19, I did some extra note crushing on the G note. That's the sound for articulation or expressive marks, which creates bringing a new result in the voice. So otherwise, doesn't sound nice. So that's the sound what the Indian music stands for. So again, come back. So you have found my hand question on D, so I could play the song from bar number 17 until I finish on the bar number 21. So 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is repeated again one more time. Piyu Bole, that's how the first part of the song is played. Now comes the next moment is song. Keep a hand position on the T. So how I play? D, A, G, E, A, D, E, A, D, E, D, A, D. So D A G D A G D A G D A G. So the counting is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is repeated 2 times. Then again the song continues. Piyu Bole, Piyu Bole. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the first part of the song we have finished. Now comes the music little bit we learn so that we will be enjoying the thing. You play using the octaving of the note. So if it is D, the D. If it is the A, it is the A. If it's a B, it's a, what about D? So if you are not comfortable, you can only take the top note which says D, A, B, A, D, A, B, D, B, A, D, B, A. So the top note I played, that's the melody. The bottom notes add beauty for that. So it's playing that. Sorry. So we just play it. We are breaking the sound. So, so. Again. Single note. Double note. Next, the same way the double note system. See, I could play in one position, that is A. I am having A position, but my fingers are split on C sharp, D, E, and F sharp. So, I play the music. I finished using the fingering position with the A and got all the notes of the music. Now we come back to the song now again. So the song is so simple. By being in the same place, we can play. Did I play again? Clock is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Same thing. Then back to, we'll same what you learned beginning. Then again we are playing the same thing. Complete two times what you played just now. Then the song again goes back to song. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 1. So this is how you play the PiyuBole song. You can use your auto chords for the chords that we use, and you will enjoy the song. Thank you.